Hey, Raiden, you want to go let the dogs in? Can you go get them? Yeah? Okay. Go get the dogs. Where are the dogs? Can you go let them in? Good job. Good job letting the dogs in. Uh-oh, where are the other dogs? You call them? Let's call them. Come here, Pancho! Come on, dogs. Watch out, you're gonna be in the way. Come on, come here! Here she comes. Where is she? Come here, good girl. There she is. Okay, come and shut the door. Good job getting those dogs. What a big boy you are! Good job! Yeah, you're a big boy. Oh, is that Loki in the way?